wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Whitney wig, which is a blended fiber wig, which I'll talk about in just a second. This is an envy style, and the color is sparkling champagne. Now, this is an envy hair blend wig, which means that it is 30% human hair and 75% heat-friendly synthetic. They're kind of blended together. The human hair helps discharge static, which prevents tangling and clumping that is normally associated with heat-friendly synthetics. This Whitney wig is short enough that you probably won't have an issue with it. Heat-friendly synthetic fiber is actually really cool in shorter styles precisely because it looks a little piecey, and that makes it look like you've applied product, which is pretty cool. You're not gonna get so much of that because of the human hair in the blend, because it doesn't keep as much static in the fiber, but it's still a little bit more than you would get with a regular synthetic or 100% human hair wig, which means in this style with this layering, you can make this very beautiful. To me, this is like boss hair, politician hair, learned newscaster hair, you know, the one that does the investigative journalism thing. I love this cut. It's so pretty. It reminds me of Cameron by Renee of Paris a little bit, except this hair fiber feels a lot better. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and do a 360 so I can show you Whitney on all sides. Let me fluff her up just a smidge more, because she's got some pretty layering going on here. Yeah, this wig has a standard cap, but she's very easy to wear. The fiber is heat styleable because there's permatease on the top. It doesn't matter where you part it. And that permatease does wonders for the layering of the style. It's not gonna lay completely flat, which is really nice. Just beautiful feathering here in the front. See that? Very flattering shape, and the length is very flattering. You know, I used to be a little bit larger. You know, I used to have a very full jaw, and I think this is the exact sort of style I would want to wear when I had that issue, because it gives you a little bit of a frame. And I always want to make sure I point that out whenever I encounter that, because that is very flattering to have all of this layer and kind of hit at the jaw, hit at the cheekbones. Very flattering if you need the coverage. And if you don't, it's easy to sort of sweep it off to the back. I really like this one, and the product pictures are really cute too. Their model did a good job with this one. And I wanted to order it in a light color so, you know, you could kind of see the contrast. But beautiful wig. Let me go ahead and take Whitney off and I'll show you the cap construction. Very standard cap, right? A little bit of felt at the front hairline. Generous amount of hair, which is nice because it doesn't feel like a ton of hair. Open wefts on the side, and in the back we have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. There's also felt here on the ear tabs. And this wig, being, you know, closed cap, it stretches more than a monofilament wig would, but it's still gonna take a while to stretch in a meaningful way. It fits true to size, in my opinion. So it's a little bit tight on me. But man, is this one easy to wear. I mean, all I have to do is smooth her down. And she goes right into place. So this is Whitney. I really like this one, which is reassuring because, you know, these blended fiber wigs are not cheap, but they're also not cheaply made, and they feel nice on. Now this cap is a little basic, but the hair is really nice. So this is a good compromise if you're on a budget, but you want to try one of these envy hair wigs. This is Whitney, and this color has been the envy hair blend version of their sparkling champagne. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching our videos. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.